Learning Hachzek Musar Yomi Rabeinu Yona's Sharei Teshuva. We're up to page 227 in the art school edition of the Sharei Teshuva. Says Rabeinu Yona, as we continue to explain the severity, we're discussing the Rabbanans right now. So says Rabeinu Yona Vashenis, a second aspect of why the Rabbanans are so severe, because the person who does the Rabbanan is far from Tshuva, because the item is not perceived as Chomer by him, and therefore he's far from doing tshuva because it's not so chamer to him. And he's going to continue repeating his sin. And even something that's not as severe is more than that which is more severe, because even a lower level of Eira, but if you continuously do it, is going to be more severe. Reason number 3, why the Rabbanans are so important. Says the pasuk in Shir Hashirim, those who love you, Hashem, are better than Yayin. Chavivin divrei seifrim yeisim yinashal Torah. Divrei seifrim are more beloved to Hashem more than the wine of the Torah itself. We have to explain, what does this mean? How can it be that the words of Chazal, the words of the Chachamim, are more chaviv, or more beloved to HaKadosh Baruch Hu than even the wine, than even the Dini Deraisa itself? Yodai Teida, we know, Ki Yiras Hashem Yisayid HaMitzvahs. The fear of Hashem is the Yisayid of all the mitzvahs. Shenemar, as the Pasuk says, what does Hashem ask from you? Kim the years Hashem just to fear him. And this quality that we find favor in the eyes of Hashem. And their safeguards are the foundation that leads one to Yira of Hashem. Cause with each enactment, with each Isser, Pantiga Yad Adam Isser Atayra, they create a fence, a safeguard, to make sure one doesn't come close to Adin Daraisa. If the field is beautiful, then you make a nice fence. Why? To keep people away from the beautiful field. He's afraid that people are going to enter the field and cause damage, or that animals are going to come and trample it. So explains Rabeinu Yona based on the fact that the Rabbanans are the fence around the field, preserving the crop. The more one is Zohir of Agoder, and the fence, and the further one is away from Isser. That's the foundation that creates the true fear of Hashem. Here's Hashem. And the more one is careful, brings one to the great reward. Okay, that's the reason. The fence, and the decrees, the primary forms of yira. How do we have yiras Hashem? By ensuring that we never violate anything. How do we ensure we never violate anything? By having a good fence. So the fence is the yiras Hashem. The mitzvah of yira has incredible word. Because it is the foundation to it all. What's the analogy? One is cautious that he doesn't want to be secluded. He doesn't want to be together with a woman. Why? Because he doesn't want to come to an Aveira. And the decree in Sanhedrin was that what happens is comes from a place of Yiras Hashem, and it makes his neshama shine. So what does it mean that the Rabbanans are more chaviv to Kadosh Baruch Hu? It means that it's more beloved because it creates Yiras Hashem. The more D'Rabbanan, the more Geder, the more Siyag, the more distance, the more beloved, because the more Yira, the more the fear there is to Hashem. We'll stop over here, B'siyata Dishmaya.